So our ceramic coating by Ceramic Pro, what does it cover? Actually, it's a great question. People always want to know. Our package, complete protection over the entire exterior of the vehicle. Think of this. The entire exterior of the vehicle, except for the rubber on the tire, is coated with PPF. So headlights, taillights, trims, face of the wheels, face of the brake calipers. That's also going to help cut down on brake dust, especially with a race car like the Porsche GT3. Also, windows, exterior, completely covered. Everything on the car covered, ready, extra glossy, and beautiful. Paint correction, as you know, that's a service we offer here at Fantasy Motorsports. Now, most people say, hey, listen, my car is brand new. I just bought it. I don't need paint correction. Well, you might be right, but most of the time, believe it or not, even the finest, most luxurious, most exotic cars in the world use and need paint protection. Why? Because it doesn't just actually remove light scratches and swirls that are left on there from the factory or the dealership when they prep it before you pick it up. Most of the time, it's actually going to improve the color, the paint color of your vehicle, and make that car actually be nicer and better than factory. Sitting behind me is the finished Porsche GT3 as promised. Beautiful paint correction, brought out more of the color. Nothing but the best full front PPF by Cavace, front protection film, and the whole car completed in ceramic coat. Now, it's hard for me to say goodbye to this car. I have a special love for Porsches, especially GT3s, but I know we'll have another one in here soon, thanks to you guys out there. So remember, keep watching our videos, subscribe if you enjoy it, and who knows, maybe your car will be the next one we showcase in one of our videos. Take care, guys.